Hello everyone, it's xpertkillz here, back with a review. This time I'm going to be reviewing the G710 mechanical gaming keyboard. So let's take a look at it here. So as you can see, fairly nice color scheme. And if you can see here, this part is lit up. Wait, I've got a better idea. There, it's an entirely lit keyboard. Yeah, fairly nice. So let's see. So here you've got the 6 programmable G keys. Yeah, that's really it. That's the special thing. Next part we've got. Oh yeah, here are the profile keys. Like M1, M2, M3, and MR, which is the same as the G105, which cancels all profile usage. And there's something I quite like about this keyboard when it comes to the audio. It raises and lowers the audio very easily, and as you can see, it's very shiny and very reflective. So here you've got the game button, which prevents the home button from working. There, as you can see, it isn't working right now. And this part tells you if number lock, caps lock, and this button's on. The WASD up, down, left, right keys are fairly highlighted. Let's see. Let's try this, where we just make the whole keyboard not backlit except those 4, and then we light up the keyboard again for this button here. Exact same thing, except it dims up, down, left and right. So another special feature about this is a little USB port. 1 second. Done. There, here you have an extra USB port over here. With the keyboard, you've got 2 USB plugs. Let's see, one quick. Oh yeah, this one is for the little extra USB port. The other one is for the keyboard itself. Yeah, that pretty much concludes all the special thing. Oh yeah, it's got a mute button next over here. Let's see. The features of the buttons: it uses Cherry MX Brown keys, which means they're very easily removable, hence the mechanical keyboard and all. Yeah, but it's very good, similar to the G105, but better. That's really good. It's very good value. Currently costs about, I think it's about £100 or so. You can buy it for. That's if you find the right retailer. But if you wish to buy it from the Logitech website, it's going to cost you about $150. And that concludes the review. This is xpertkillz signing out. Thank you for watching.